Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tricks and Tips with Spade. Today I'll be showing a very exciting video. As you guys can tell by the title, I'll be showing you guys how I style my knotless braid, box braid, however you want to call them. So if you are excited to watch or see my styles, please do watch until the end. Subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and do leave your thoughts down below. I really appreciate comments, guys, so please do leave your comments down below. I must say I appreciate the returning subscribers as well. Let me go ahead and share some tips and tricks as you guys are watching this video. Tricks on how to keep your braids looking fresh. Let me remind you guys to subscribe on this channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and do leave your thoughts down below. Number 1, keep your scalp moist to avoid flaking and dryness. Number 2, if it's too tight, leave it. We often say braids in general are part of the protective hairstyle community, but we forget that they are as protective as we keep them protective. Number 3, wear a silk bonnet / a toque when going to bed. This will help you keep them braids looking fresh. If you feel like you are losing hair whilst you have braids on, take them down. They are not worth you losing your hairline. Avoid sleeping with your hair tied up, as this is a contributing factor in us losing our hairline. Ladies, I am pleading you, avoid sleeping with your hair tied up. Stop using a styling gel that causes itchiness and flakiness. Guys, this is obviously not good for your scalp or your skin. Also, number 7, avoid scratching your scalp. Instead, wash your hair when it starts itching. that is it from me, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me remind you to subscribe, hit that notification bell, give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed this type of content. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.